Hello, I will be talking about MATLAB today. MATLAB is a program that allows you to perform mathematical operations on equations by using matrices. I will be going over some general information and basic commands about MATLAB in this tutorial. In the next two tutorials, I will go over information about scripts and then plotting in MATLAB. MATLAB bases its calculations on matrices. A matrix consists of m number of columns and n number of rows. To submit values to a row, use brackets and then include the numbers you wanted populated into the matrix. This will produce a single row with the number of values you entered as the number of columns. To produce a single column with the number of entered values equal to the row number, use semicolons in between each number. You can combine these two methods to create a matrix with more than one column or one row. If you type in bracket 1 space 2 semicolon 1 space 2 and bracket, you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. If you wanted to transpose this, meaning you will flip what is a column and what is a row, you can use the up arrow on your keyboard to select what you last typed in and put an apostrophe afterwards. You can also easily make these matrices equal to a variable. By using a colon, I am going to set variable A equal to all the numbers between 1 and 10 in one row 10 column matrix. You can also populate an entire matrix by zeros or ones. Here is an example of a 3 by 3 matrix filled with zeros. And here is an example of a 3 by 3 matrix filled with ones. You can also select certain numbers out of a matrix. Let's build a more interesting matrix here. Let's set B equal to bracket 1 colon 5 semicolon 1 colon 5 matrix. To select the value in the third row in the second column, you would use the command b parentheses 2 comma 3 end parentheses. The command window is what we have been typing in this entire time to give commands to MATLAB. The workspace is located at the top right of the MATLAB window. This provides you with information about any variable you have set equal to data for. Below that, on the bottom right, is the command history. This tells you what commands you've told MATLAB to operate. There are important differences between parentheses, brackets, and curly brackets. Parentheses indicate precedence in arithmetic expressions and logical subscripts. Brackets are used to form vectors and matrices, which can be concatenated. Curly brackets are used to form cell arrays. For curly brackets, nesting levels are preserved. There are a couple of basic commands you can use within the command window of MATLAB. One of these is home, where if you type in home, it'll scroll down the sidebar so that you have a clear pane, but however, all your previous data still exists. Also, there's the clear command, which will set all variables back equal to not existing. Lastly, there's the help command, where you type in help, and for this example, let's help transpose. MATLAB will pull up data about the command transpose. This ends this first MATLAB tutorial.